Your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Gross, appearing on behalf of myself as conservator of the estate of Tracy Bates.
Michael McFarland, attorney guardian life.
All right. I don't have a waiver in this file, Mr. McFarland. Would you like to talk to us a little bit?
You don't, Your Honor. I've spoken to Mr. Gross about this. I find all the dollar amounts and accounts to be appropriate, although rather than the actual receipts, there's a statement saying this, the receipts are at the office available for review. My understanding from the clerk's office is that really from now on, the receipts need to be presented so I can compare them against the actual expenses, Your Honor. But if the court's agreeable with that statement for today, I'm willing to sign a waiver and consent.
All right, very good. Mr. Gross, do you have any comments about the information contained in the 32nd annual accounting today?
Your Honor, I've reviewed the accounting and the expenses. I believe it's all truthful, accurate, and complete and ought to be approved.
Thank you. All right. Well, I'm satisfied with the presentation by both of you and with the review of the file, and I am signing approving the accounting. I do see that all interested parties have been notified, and I also have had no objections to any of that. So it is the order of the court that the 32nd annual accounting is allowed, including those fees and costs. Thank you, gentlemen. And I'm sure our clerk's office will appreciate your waiver, Mr. McFarland.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Two.
Thank you.
This is in the matter of Sandra Rhodes, file 37112.
Okay, Mr. McFarland, I think they're on that one too. But the answer to be so kind as to ask him to step back in.
Anybody else in the hallway likely?
If you could check, that'd be great. Is there anybody here on Rhodes on Zoom? No. Okay.
Mr. McFarland, are you on Rhodes also? Anybody else here on Rhodes?
Okay, looks like we're looking for Kathy.
I can bring them.
Let me have a look. So we're on record on Rhodes, looking at the 11th and 12th annual accounting. Mr. McFarland, I do have a waiver on the 11th and the 12th.
Must be why my secretary did not put that on my docket, Your Honor.
Yeah,
so.
sorry.
No
I
problem.
don't need to pull you back in
No
so
problem.
prematurely, but we do have, that's all, looks like it's all accounted for. You've already reviewed it. These two, yes.
Okay, thanks.
I do not, however, have Ms. Flores. So we'll adjourn this one. We'll leave it to the clerk's office to find a new date on that. Oh, actually, you know what? You wrote a letter on these.
Oh, let me take a look at this. Let me open up my file, Your Honor, because I did not have that on my docket. I apologize. RHOADS.
Oh, and then, yeah, okay.
Yes.
All right, well, we'll have to adjourn this one anyway because she's not here. So we'll leave it to the clerk's office to find another date and give her a chance to appear. That's all for today on this one. Whenever you're ready, Ms. Psen.
This is in the matter of the estate of Deborah Psen, file 53.
Monica. Morning, Your Honor. My name is Eric Brown. I'm standing in for my colleague Daniel Relly, attorney on behalf of the petitioner Mark Psen, who's here as well.
Okay, Mr. Psen, would you give us your name for the record?
Mark Psen.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Brown, go ahead whenever you're ready.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a petition for probate and appointment of personal representative. Deborah Sue Psen passed on 4/25/2024 in Lenawee County, making this venue proper. We have searched. There is no, unrevoked testimony instrument of any kind. Mr. Psen does nominate himself. He is the son of, and there are no other interested parties or heirs. Publication and notice of hearing has been done as well as filed with the court. As such, we request an order determining the heirs and that the decedent died intestate. and formal appointment of a nominated personal representative without bond.
Thank you. What are the potential assets of the estate, please?
Yes, Your Honor, there is some real property and some minor things beyond that.
Did you wish to take any testimony from your client today, or are you prepared for me to make the findings based on the pleadings?
Based upon the pleadings, Your Honor.
Thank you. Well, the file is supported by information documenting that Ms. Polson did pass away June 13th, 2024, a resident of Lenawee County, making venue appropriate in this court. There have been no objections to any of the other requested findings, including the determination of heirs. The fact that Ms. Polson passed away without a will. Request for Mr. Mark Polson to be appointed, who is also suitable according to the statute. I also find, based on the representation of the limited assets of the estate, including real estate, that supervises administration is not necessary, nor is a bond to protect the assets of the estate at this time. Is the order of the court. The petition is granted. It contains the findings as well as the appointment of Mr. Mark Polson as the personal representative to administer the estate. Unless there's any questions, that's all for today. I'm very sorry for your loss.
Thank you, Your Honor.